Hello everybody. Hello everybody, FNF Gram 2009 here, and today we are going to be playing Will You Press the Button? So it is a game where all of your dreams come true, but there's a catch to it. Like this one, for example. JFK wasn't assassinated, but Sarah Palin runs for the next election and wins. I don't even know what that is, but I'm afraid it might be something bad, so I'm not gonna press that button. Okay, people agree. And then next, you are a master thief and can steal anything you want without getting caught, but you will have horrible nightmares of everyone you steal from. Oh no, this is bad. No, I will not press that button. It's not worth having nightmares. Would you? Alright. Not would you rather. All console players will admit that PC is the master race, but console players will still. You can choose whether or not to see into the future when you close your eyes, but you do not remember what you see when you open your eyes and stop looking into the future. You are paralyzed you are looking for the You are paralyzed when you are looking for the future, and you cannot speak without looking into the future. I will not. Alright. Free ice cream. Any flavor for the rest of your life. But every pound of ice cream, you will gain 3 pounds of overall body weight. It like having 1 or 2 pounds of weight is worse. Like having only 1 pound of weight eating ice cream is bad, but you got to make it even worse by adding 3 pounds to it. Wow. I'm not pressing that button. Who is secretly obsessed with you? I don't care about that. Okay. You can read anyone's mind, but whatever they think will be in a completely different language. People's thoughts will be in like French or Spanish or Japanese or man, I need to learn these languages, so no, I will not press the button. I refuse. You are given the ability to cure wounds, illnesses, and death if you should see fit. But by doing so, you are taking on. By doing so, you take on the malady yourself for a few days, but you will eventually recover. If it means coming back from the dead. It's worth curing all illnesses and stuff, so, I guess I'll press it. So if Obama dies, I could just bring him back to life, or wait a minute. Oh no. By doing that, I just agreed to bring Hitler back to life. Oh no. Oh no, this is the bad thing about it. Now Hitler will come back to life. What have I done? And next, you can choose any meal you can imagine at each sitting, but you can never have the same meal twice. Okay, Okay, that's fine. I'll press that button. It doesn't matter if you have the same meal twice or not, so I'm pressing that button. Come on, people. Wait. It only says you don't have to eat every meal twice. You could just think of different foods you like, you know? Alright, you can travel to any place in space, but you cannot come back to Earth. I'm not pressing that button. Because if I press that button, I will never be able to see my friends, my family, my siblings ever again. So I'm not pressing that button. You post this screenshot on Tumblr and you win 1 trillion notes. But it's the last post you'll ever make. No, heck no, I'm not pressing that button. Webtoon, I don't care. You get to watch anime in full HD quality on a plasma television for the rest of your life, but it's all in dub. Well, I don't really care for anime, so I'm not pressing the button. Right. You are given $10 billion, but you have to wipe 200 times after every $2. The heck? What? No. Okay. Next. You will live with a person of your choice for the rest of your life, but you'll also have to live with Justin Bieber. Heck no. It's not worth living with whoever I want to if I get to live with Justin Bieber. Like, I don't want to do that. Justin Bieber, I don't really like him. I think he's a bad singer. No, scratch that. But I do not like him. I'll just say that. I do not like Justin Bieber. Okay, next. Next. You'll have limitless creativity, but nothing is ever original and unexpected to you ever again. If you read this comment, it means that you have been invited to Markiplier's birthday party post and this in 5 more dilemmas, and you'll get invited. If you don't, you wouldn't. Sadly, I'm not invited to Markiplier's birthday party, which is really, really depressing. Yes, I will press the button. The heck? Who's guilty and who's not? No. Where's that flippin' X button? There it is. Yeah, I'm gonna press that button instead. Alright. Be able to replicate any voice you hear, but you can speak before 1 in the afternoon. But you can't speak before 1 in the afternoon. So, it's basically like if you hear Dan TDM's voice, then I could sound like him. But I can't speak until 1 o'clock p.m. So, no, I'm not pressing that button. You can see through walls whenever you want to, but the wall breaks as soon as you look through it. The heck? So if I just look through my bedroom wall, then if I look through it, then I break it. I don't want to do that. And then next, your crush likes you, but no other friend accepts him or her. I don't really have a crush. I don't really have a crush yet, so I'm not pressing the button. Oh, you guys like my void background? Pretty interesting, isn't it? Let me close all of this. Let's get back to the game. Will you press the button? Bring objects from fiction to the real world. But they would have to follow the laws of reality. The laws of reality? So it's basically like telling me I could bring a ladybug into the world and Cat Noir and all the miraculous ladybug superheroes, but it sucks. And I cannot invite Hawkmoth. You know what? No. Why? Well, but basically, I don't know if Hawkmoth follows the law of reality or not. But, next, you will be able to read people's minds. But you can only read for 18 seconds. And after that, you can't read from that person's mind ever again. Only for 18 seconds, man? Like, no. I'm not pressing that button. Why? It's only for 18 seconds, though. Well, would I rather read a mind once rather than never? I agree. I'm not saying that. I'm just reading the comment. Next, you beloved civilization. Okay, your beloved civilization concept that promised everything good for our time. Capitalism, community. You know, I'm not pressing that button because it doesn't make sense. You can explore the multiverse, but you will never be able to go back home and never see your family / friends again. So I would never be able to see James again, or like, I would never be able to see Kingston again, or like the rest of my friends. You know what? No, I'm not pressing the button. You get the chance to restart your life from scratch. A new life, a new body, and a new world. But you'll remember your old life only in vague glances through your dreams. Like something missing in your life that you just can't put your finger on. I might press the button. The best cartoon maker. I don't really care about that. And then next, you can travel through time at will. But if you tell anyone, you will cease to existence. So Thanos will come with his infinity gauntlet and just snap his fingers and he will cease me to exist. So, no, I will not press that button. Alright, last one. You are in perfect health and have all the muscle strength your body can handle for now on without the worries of eating healthy or exercising ever again. But you are immediately transported in another dimension where you have to protect the giant walls every day for the rest of your life from a giant human eating monsters trying to eliminate humanity. that dimension needs your strength more than the one that you are currently living in. No, I will never press that button. That's all for me, and you like my void background? You still like it? If you said yes, then I'm happy. Alright. And I will see you next video. I'm running out of time, so bye.